Moshe, I'd like you to help me with this problem. I tell you, this looks pretty complex. Let's begin with 2x plus 3, okay? 2x plus 3. Now, what is this 2 outside the parentheses? Do it again, good. And all of that is equal to 3x plus 8, okay? 1x, 2x, 3x plus 8. Okay, so now you have the problem set up. Do you see any legal moves we can use to simplify the problem? We take away an x from each side. You do it again. Do it a third time. Wow. This is an 8 value. This is a 3. This is a 3. What must the pawn be worth?
2.
2. Okay, take the pen, and over here please write x equals to 2. Okay, good. Okay, close the pen. Would you now set up the original problem one more time so we can do the check? Okay, so now that we have the problem set up, we're ready to do the check. We said that each x is 2. Can we try to find the value of this side of each x is 2?
14.
How much?
14.
14?
Yeah.
How do you know?
2, 6, 8, 10, 12.
Boy, that was
14.
quick. That was
14.
also 14. Okay. Okay, very nice, Moshe. And how old are you?